Teams. Getting started with collaborating and sharing files in Microsoft Teams. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with collaborating and sharing files in Microsoft Teams. From within Microsoft Teams, select the team that you want to share files in. From this team, you'll need to locate the Files tab. This can either be in the General channel or in any other channel. Any of the files within the Files section can be seen and modified by anyone in the team. This is a great space to put those files that need to be accessed by everyone. From within Files, you can click on New to create a new folder or any of the new file types. Here you can also click on Upload to upload a file from your device. With each of the files, you can also click on the file to download or move or copy. Let's click on Upload to upload an existing document that we've saved on our device. Once this is uploaded, everyone in the team will be able to see that it's there. There's no notification though. If you want to make people aware that the file is now in the team, you can click on the three dots, the ellipses, and click on Copy the link. And then you can post this link in a chat or post within the team. From the Files section, you can click on the file. This will open the file up in edit mode directly within Teams. I'm currently the only person using this file. If more than one person has the file open, you'll see the initials in the top right. Notice there's no Save button. This document is constantly being saved. It can save up to 500 different versions, which you can go back to and recover if you need to. You can see now that a second person has opened the file. If they start typing, we'll be able to see what they're typing and collaborate. You can see here we're helping them correct their spelling and formatting. Once you've finished with the file, you can simply close the document as it auto-saves. Now, if you want to see previous versions or if the file has accidentally been deleted from within the team, let's delete this one for example, you can get deleted files back by clicking on Open in SharePoint. If you don't see Open in SharePoint, click on the three dots and then click on Open in SharePoint. This will open SharePoint, the back end of Teams, in a browser. Once you're in SharePoint, you can click on the Recycle bin in the left menu and restore your file from here by clicking on the file and clicking Restore. If you go back into Documents in the left menu, you can then click on the channel name to locate where the file was stored within this channel. I can then access the version history of files stored here. Here's the document we worked on earlier. If you click on the three dots, the ellipses, you can click on version history. Here you can see there have been 3 saves to this file. The first one by Edit Learn, the second by John, and then Edit Learn again. If you need to restore a previous version, click on the drop-down button and restore the previous version. In order to restore previous versions, you need to make sure that everyone has closed that file. You can see in this case, John still had the file open, so we have received an error message. Now that John has closed the file, we're able to restore the correct version. When you click on Restore, it will create a new version. You can see we've now got 4 versions of that file.